Okay, YouTube, back by popular demand. This is a video on a 2001 Land Rover Discovery 2, but any Land Rover Discovery 2 that has the center diff lock in it, on how to engage for low to for high, and if you got the diff lock, how to do that. If you want a more detailed description, there's a description in the link below for a more detailed Land Rover 4x4 description on how to use for high, for low. So here we are. This is your lever. You've probably looked at it. Maybe you've never even used this. Maybe it's sat like that forever. If you're done nothing, you're in 4 high all the time. 4 high right there. Now, if you want to lock your diff and you have a lever that goes back and forth, which arguably only the 2004s have stock, but say you didn't. Say you just have the normal ones, you're going to want to go to 4 low. So to do that, you're going to want to put your foot on the brake, go to neutral, and then you're going to want to go 1 up. It's going to say the gears are not engaged, and then you're going to go in 1 more. It takes some strength, and then you're going to be in 4 low. Now, nothing is showing here. I'm going to turn my lights on so you can see. You're in 4 low. You're going to get way more mechanical advantage. It's like being in the granny gears on a bike. So you can ride up hills. You can use your gear selector now to go downhill. You can press this mode button, and now you'll notice it goes into manual mode. You can't really see that great, but there you are. It's manual mode. If you were in 4 high, that would be sport mode. The reason manual mode is cool is because now you can super lock into each of these gears. 1, 2, 3 drive, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can start the car from rolling, not turning the engine on, but start moving the car in first gear and just keep it there, or second or third or fourth, and it won't change gears. That's important because sometimes you don't want to change gears going up a hill because you want to keep all of that momentum. So that's an important thing. Now, if you have diff lock, you can go over, and that's going to lock your diff. Now, you're normally going to get an icon in here that shows you having your diff locked. I might be able to get that to do that if I put my truck into drive, but it's not going to do that because you need to actually move, and then once it senses that it's actually locked, it will do that. It's not going to do that here, but I'll show you another video on that at some point later. That's unlocked. Unlocking your diff. I'm in still 4 low, so I'm in the granny gears. I can drive up and down hills easier. I can slow myself down going downhill easier. That's also going to work with your hill descent control, which is that button right there behind my phone holder. I can do another video on that later, but that is generally you're in 4 low non-diff lock. Now if I want to go back to 4 high, I've got to be in neutral, and notice it says you can only be going between 0 to 8 kilometers per hour. 0 to 8 kilometers per hour, or 0 to 5 miles per hour while you're doing this. Generally you're just going to stop. Easier. You know, you might need to roll a little bit if your gears bind. Say it doesn't seem like it wants to shift gears. Move your vehicle a little bit. Have it going just super idling slowly, and then put it into neutral. You still have to put it into neutral. You can still be in neutral while the truck is moving, but obviously if you can, my suggestion, just stop the vehicle and switch your gears, and then you're going to pull back once, right? Take some muscle, and then now you go all the way down. Now you're back into 4 high. Okay? Bigger video in the link below. Hope this is helpful. You should do this once in a while to lubricate your 4 high, 4 low, everything. Your gear selector, the transfer case, all that jazz for keeping things working. But probably you should just go off-roading, drive up some hills. That's the best way to do it. Please like and subscribe. Ciao.